Hello everyone, welcome to the Hollow Lecture Hall. In this issue, we will explain the drill. First, select the tool type, drill. Enter the geometric parameter setting interface according to the drawing specification, and accurately configure geometric parameters. Drill tip diameter. The data in the rod and clamping options. Then enter the setting of the tool grinding step. For this drill, we select the grooving, back gouging, and tooth system. The chamfer grinding process of the drill tip. We also select the grinding mill model for each step. Adjust the processing parameters of each step according to the processing characteristics of the drill tip. We need to import the drill tip protection to the edge line according to the coordinate position shown in the data sheet. We need to adjust the blade head to match it to ensure the consistent width of the blade. Finally, generate the simulated machining path of the tool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.